Hello, welcome to Finance 101. On today's episode, on Road to 10K, episode 7. So, if you watch the last video on episode 6, you notice that I put in 1500 and I bought 3 stocks. And after I deposited that 1500, my total came to $4,199. And as you can see right now, before I make a deposit, I have $4,210.98 right now. So that's pretty good considering the past 2 weeks hasn't been the greatest in the stock market, and there's been a lot of downfalls of a lot of companies. But that's the greatest thing about having good companies, because you're always going to bounce right back, and if the market even get better, you're going to see some great returns. So let's see the 3 stocks we bought last time. So the first one we bought was Salesforce. I think we got 3 shares of Salesforce. So Salesforce was going down a lot, and as you can see, just yesterday the return was $1.87, and that's why we're able to be in the positive. So that's good considering that it was going down a lot. So let's see the second one. The second one we got was Speedlight, LSPD right here. And let's see what happened with that one. We got 3 shares of those on an average price of $148.22. And this is a Canadian company. So that's good. So yesterday's return was $4.68, and altogether we are up $25.20, and that's 5.67%. So let's go see the last one. Remember when I said the uranium, we're taking a big risk buying that? Sometimes you do have to take a low risk, but as long as you're not putting too much money in there. And another thing is, if you're starting to invest in your early 20s, early 30s, it's okay to take some risk because you got a lot of time to work to recover. But depending, if you're almost at a retirement age, then you got to consider taking those risks, because the time you have to work to recover again might not be the greatest. So maybe you should stay away from those risky ones. But that's up to you to make your own decisions. So the last one we bought was UEC. It's a uranium company. So let's see how that one did. So UEC was doing great until yesterday, when it dropped $7, 3% just yesterday. So I'm looking forward that today, when the market do open, is going to be a great day, because it dropped a lot yesterday. So I know it's going to go up a lot today. So we're up $30 so far, 19.53%, and that's really good. So that's how the risk reward works. You can take the big risk and you get really good rewards, or you can just get average rewards. But be careful when you're buying such companies. But right now, uranium is in a high demand, so if you're buying, it's okay to buy it now, but you have to keep an eye on it. And when you're up, take some profit. Don't be too greedy. So today, I'm going to add $250. So let's just go right ahead and do it now. And so you go funding, and we are going to add fund. I go to add funds, and always TFSA, continue, and we still got the 1500, but very tempting. No, we're gonna put $250 for today, and go ahead. Yep, that's the bank I want to go, and just like that, we have the money in now. So if you go back, we're gonna see that our balance went up. Okay, so let's go and see how much we have now. So as you can see, we're already at 4,460. So the company I'm thinking of buying today is, I want to buy Salesforce, but it dropped a little bit. And if you know, they already partner. Sorry, I want to buy Cancellation Blind, and as it went down a little bit. And as if you know, they already partner with Canopy Growth, and they've been making drinks. So it's like, it's the alcohol part they have already, and now they're partnering up with a cannabis company. So together I'm sure in the future you're gonna make a lot of money. So I'm thinking about buying that. But at the same time, it's another Canadian company called Face Drive that I kind of want to buy, but it's very risky because I owned Face Drive before. One was about $15 and went up to I think somewhere $20, and somehow it dropped all the way down to 88 cents yesterday when I saw it. So when I saw it yesterday, I wanted to buy it, but I guess I got sidetracked or something because it went from 88 cents all the way down to all the way up to $2 yesterday. So I missed a big opportunity yesterday to buy. So here it is right now. I missed a big opportunity to buy yesterday. So I'm gonna watch it today, and if it drop down again, I'm going to buy it. Hopefully buy it for like 89 cents or 90 cents and see I can sell it back and say $5 or something. I think it's bouncing back up because it went really low from like $20 to all the way down to 88 cents yesterday when I saw it before the market opened. As you can see down here, yesterday alone it was up 128%. I don't think I missed the opportunity. I think it's gonna come back down, and if it does come back down to the price I want to, I'm gonna buy it and just keep an eye on it and see I can flip it really quick because it's kind of a stock. It goes up and down. What they do is they do food deliveries, and they were doing really good, but they were growing too fast. They bought too many companies, and I don't know what happened. It just price just dropped. I tried to look into it yesterday. I don't really find anything really wrong with it. I guess they bought too many companies, and their balance sheet probably in the negative right now, and they're not making the money they thought they're gonna make right away. So eventually it's gonna bounce back up. So I'm gonna keep an eye on that, and if I buy it, I talked about it on the next video, or if not, I buy the cancellation plan or whatever I buy. I'll make an update after I buy it, so 3 days from now. So that's it for now. Don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and as always, I'm gonna leave my referral link in the description for Wealthsimple. If you register through my link, you get 2 free stocks, and I also get kickback and get 1 free stock. So bye for now. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.